Welcome to the MTN Skills Academy. To get started, open your web browser and go to www.skillsacademy.mtn.com. This is the MTN Skills Academy homepage, your gateway to a world of learning opportunities. Accept the cookie setting to proceed. Select language, English from Nigeria. Click Register Now. It's quick and easy. Then choose your preferred logging method. Gmail or mobile number. Let's use mobile number. A one-time password will be sent to you on this number. Enter the OTP on the boxes provided and you're in. Next, you get a quick welcome tour of the platform. Complete your profile. Click OK on the pop-up notification to complete 3 basic courses. And welcome to your dashboard. Click on any course that interests you, follow the prompts and start learning. And just like that, your journey with MTN Skills Academy begins.